हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है एक्सपेंशन ऑफ नंबर्स। तो सबसे पहले आज हम लोग बात करेंगे ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट नंबर के। ठीक, तो देखिए जो हमारा 1 डिजिट नंबर है उसमें जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है वो है 9। 1 डिजिट नंबर में कौन कौन से नंबर आते हैं? 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड अप टू 9। बिकॉज अगर आप इसके बाद का नंबर लिखेंगे जो कि है 10, सो इट बिकम्स अ 2 डिजिट नंबर। 1, 2, इट्स अ 2 डिजिट नंबर। सो 1 डिजिट नंबर आर फ्रॉम 0 एंड अप टू 9. So the greatest one which is at the most right side. So 9 is the greatest 1 digit number. Okay. If we add 1, 9 plus 1, we get 10, and this 10 is the smallest 2 digit number. 2 digit number, let's see, 10, 11, 12 and up to, yes, 99. Because when you add 1 to 99 you get 100, which is a 3 digit number. 1, 2, 3. So when you add 1 to the greatest 1 digit number you get smallest 2 digit number, and that is 10. Similarly, the greatest 2 digit number you see here, it is at the rightmost side of the 2 digit number. So it is the greatest 2 digit number. Now if we add 1 in it, we get our smallest 3 digit number, that is 100. Similarly, the greatest third digit number is 999, and if we add 1 to it, we will get a 4 digit number, which is 10,000. In the same manner, the greatest 4 digit number is 9,999. Let's add 1 to it. You get 10,000. So smallest 5 digit number becomes 10,000. Because we add 1 to 4 digit number, then we get a smallest 5 digit number, and this is read as 10, 100, 1000. This is 10,000, 10,000. Now the greatest 5 digit number is 99,999, and if we add 1 to it, we get our smallest 6 digit number, that is 1 lakh. It is read as 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Just add. So the concept behind this topic is, if you add 1 to the greatest digit number of any 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you got the smallest digit number. If you add 1 to a 5 digit number, you will get smallest 6 digit number. Here it is 5 and you get a 6. It means plus 1 digit smallest number. Great. If we write it greatest n digit number, then you will get smallest n plus 1 digit number. I hope it will be clear to you. So now we are with some of the examples and we have to expand these numbers. So let's start. Look, 78 is a 2 digit number. तो आइए देखते हैं हम लोग इसका एक्सपेंशन कैसे करते हैं. You may be familiar with it, but let's see. It's 7 into 10 plus 8. आप इसके आगे into 1 भी लिख सकते हैं. 78, 8 is at 1's place and 7 it as 10's place. 1's, 10's. तो हम लोग इसको यहाँ इंटू 1 कर सकते हैं क्योंकि ये 8 जो है वो 1 के प्लेस पे है, तो 8 इंटू 1 7 जो कि 10th प्लेस पे है, तो हम लोगों ने उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया है 7 इंटू 10। अगर आप इसको सॉल्व करते हैं 70 प्लस 8 and after adding you will get your answer 78. We just expanded it. Okay, now let's take another example. It is 278. Look, ones, tens and 100. 2 is at 100 place, 7 at tens, 8 at ones. Now let's see how we expand this number. 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 as it is at tens place, and 8 into 1, or you can simply discard it. It is at all not needed. So it will become 200 plus 70 plus 8, and after adding you get the result as 278. Now you see the third example. Let's take another approach. Look, if you want to make it simple, so what you can do, take the first number, that is 5, and how many digits after the 5? 3. 1, 2, 3. So multiply it with 1000 having 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 plus 2. Take the second number, and after that how many digits are there? 2. So multiply it with 100 having 2 zeros plus the next digit is 7. Take 7. How many number after 7? 1. So multiply it with 1 which is having 1 zero, and after that last one is 8 into 1 having no zeros. Okay, and after adding you will get your final result as 5278. And you see ones, 8 as ones, 7 at tens, 2 at 100 and 5 at 1000. 5000, 200, 7 tens, 8 ones. This is how we expand 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number. Now let's take some example. We will write its number name and as well as expansion. Here we will write number name first and after that its expansion. What it is read as? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, then 10,000. It will read as 20,000. 20,000. So the number name becomes 20,000. And how will we expand it? 20 into 1000. Like this we can expand, but there is no need. But आपके लिए मैं इसको करके दिखाती हूँ. देखिए 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10,000. 10,000. Okay. Then the next number is 0. 0 into, after this 0 how many zeros are there? 3. So multiply it with 1000 having 3 zeros. After that take the second 0, and how many zeros after that? 2 zeros. So multiply it with 100. There should be a plus sign. 0 into 100 plus take the third 0, and after that there is 1 0, so we will multiply it with 1, 10, which is having 1 0, and the last 0 we will multiply it with 1. 0 into 1. You see this will become 0 because if you multiply 0 with any number, the result, the output will always be 0. So here 0, here 0, here 0. So no need to write these steps and waste your time. Just write this or this. You will get your answer. Now come to the next example. 38,400. 38,400. So we will write the number name as 38,400. Let's see the expansion. 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000 having 4 zeros. Plus 8 having 3 digits after that. So we will multiply it with 1000. As it is at 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. That's why we multiplied 3 with 10,000, 8 with 1000 and 4 with 100 because it is at 100 place. Plus these zeros, no meaning. You want to write, then write. Three, 4 zeros, 8, 3 zeros, 4, 2 zeros, and you will see that. Now take the third example. Now let's first write the number name. It's 65,740. 65,740. $65,740. Now let's see its expansion. 6 ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So multiply it with 10,000 plus 5 at 1000 place. So multiply it with 1000 plus 7 at 100 place. So multiply it with 100 plus 4 at tens place, multiply it with 10. Now I am not writing the expansion of that zero. You will get your expansion. So in this way you can expand any number. These big numbers are very difficult to read and write without any aid, without any help. We use comma or we use this approach to make easier to read and write these numbers. This approach will also help you in expansion of a number. We will see it later. Let's first arrange these in this table. आपको तो ये पता ही है, यहाँ पे जो ये 3 है, this is at ones place, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now we will arrange this number in this format. So 3 at ones place, so we will fill 3 at 1 position, 4 at tens position, 5 at 100, 4 at 1000, 3 at 10,000 and 7 at lakhs. Now these places are empty. We will talk about these places in next example. So how it is easy in expansion of a number, we will see it after writing the number name. Look, how will you write its number name? It's with the help of these notations. 7,34,000 comes under the category of 1000, 34,000. You don't read it as 30,000, 4,000. No, it will read combinedly as 34,000. because these are at thousands. Then 543. 7,34,543. I will write it for you. 7,34,543. Now let's see is expansion. 7 is at lakh. So you know how many numbers are there in lakhs? 5 zeros are there in lakhs. So write this 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you can also look it into the table. After 7, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 1 lakh having 5 zeros plus 3 at 10,000. So we will write 10,000. After 3, how many digits? 4 digits. So 10,000 having 4 zeros plus 4 at 1000 place. So multiply 4 with 1000. 5 at 100 place. Multiply it with 100. 4 at tens place. Multiply it with 10. And 3 at 1 place. 3 into 1 is 1. So by looking into this, you will get easy in writing the expansion of the number. Also, it will help you in reading and writing. You will get to know by just looking at this 7, it is at lakh. No need to count ones, tens, 100,000. Just see this and tell. It is at lakh position. Now, let's take another example. Now first read the place values. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Now, with this example, we can fill these place values also. Let's write 9 at ones place, 2 at tens, 8 at 100, 5 at 1000, 7 at 10,000, 2 at lakh, 3 10 lakh, 5 crore, 6 10 crore. Now we will write the number name by looking into this table. Firstly, let's see how to read it. 65 crore, 32 lakhs, 75,829. Okay? Because this crore, lakh, thousand and this ones, tens, 100. Okay? Now write it. 65 crore, 32 lakh, 75,000, 829. Now, let's see its simplified expansion. Look, 6 at 10 crore. So, how many zeros will be there? After 6, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this will be the expansion. 6 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 5. How many digits after 5? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. Then 3. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits, so 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, how many zeros? 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 5 zeros. Okay. Now plus 7 into how many zeros? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 at 1000 place. So 3 zeros. 8 at 100. 2 zeros. 2 at tens. 1 0 plus 9. So now tell me how many zeros are there in crore. You know that in lakh how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After lakh how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros. Similarly, look after crore. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in crore we have 7 zeros. Like in lakhs we have 5 zeros because after lakh it has 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this table, this approach, we can read number easily, and we will also tell the position of number, what is its place value, and this will also help in expanding our numbers by just looking into these. I hope this will help you. Now let's see Indian and international system of numeration. आपने ये पहले भी देखा होगी, हमने पहले नंबर्स जब हम लोग एक्सपांड कर रहे थे उसमें हम लोग कॉमा का यूज़ किए थे. क्यों? क्योंकि इससे हम लोग को रीडिंग और राइटिंग और साथ ही साथ एक्सपेंशन करने में ईजीनेस प्रोवाइड करता है ये कॉमा. सो अब हम लोग देखेंगे कि इंडियन और इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन में क्या डिफरेंसेस हैं. सो ये जो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है इसके थ्रू हम लोग समझेंगे इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन. लुक, हम लोग इंडियन सिस्टम में यूज़ करते हैं वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड्स, लैक्स, करोड्स. किसका यूज़ करते हैं हम लोग? वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड्स, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. We use crore, lakhs, thousands and this. Okay? But in international system of numeration, after this we use first ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Then after that we don't use lakhs and crores, we use millions, then billions, then trillion. So this is the major difference between Indian and international system of numeration. First we use ones, tens, hundred, then thousand, 10,000, 100,000, then million, 10 million, 100 million, then billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Then after that trillions come. Okay, now let's talk about the comma. So Indian system of numeration में क्या होता है कि जो पहला कॉमा आता है वो राइट साइड से थर्ड डिजिट के बाद आता है. थर्ड डिजिट के बाद देखिए 1, 2, 3. आफ्टर 100, वंस, टेंस, हंड्रेड ना, आफ्टर 100 आता है. वंस, टेंस, 100, 100 के बाद आएगा और राइट मोस्ट साइड से थर्ड डिजिट के बाद आएगा. और ये कॉमा क्या मार्क करता है आपका? 1000. मीन्स अगर आप इसको हाइड कर देंगे तो इसको क्या रीड किया जाएगा? 1000. तो ये कॉमा इन डिजिट्स को मार्क करता है एज 1000. नाउ नेक्स्ट कॉमा कब आएगा? राइट मोस्ट साइड से 5 डिजिट्स के बाद या फिर फर्स्ट कॉमा के 2 डिजिट्स बाद। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इट इंडिकेट्स? इट इंडिकेट्स, दिस कॉमा इंडिकेट्स lakhs, marked as lakhs. We will read this as 8 lakhs. Similarly, in the same manner, every comma will come after 2 digit. देखिए, सबसे पहले जब आप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो नंबर के राइट मोस्ट साइड से 3rd डिजिट के बाद फर्स्ट कॉमा आएगा। उसके बाद जितने भी कॉमा होंगे वो हर 2 डिजिट्स के बाद आएंगे। दिस फर्स्ट कॉमा मार्क्ड 1000, दिस कॉमा मार्क्ड lakhs, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Okay, now let's talk about international system of numeration. इसमें हम लोग देखेंगे कि कॉमा किस तरीके से आते हैं। देखिए, जो पहला कॉमा होगा वो राइट मोस्ट साइड से 3rd डिजिट के बाद आएगा, सेम इन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन। बट अब इसमें बस आपको ये याद रखना है कि इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में हर 3 डिजिट्स के बाद कॉमा आते हैं। हर 3 डिजिट्स के बाद, राइट मोस्ट साइड से 3 डिजिट बाद, फिर 3 डिजिट बाद, उसके बाद 3 डिजिट बाद। ये कॉमा का हो गया है। अब हम लोग देखते हैं कि अब हम लोग रीड कैसे करेंगे ये 2 नंबर्स को। सबसे पहले हम लोग इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ न्यूमरेशन में इसकी बात करेंगे। देखिए, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. We use crore in Indian. Okay, so we read as 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. One more time, 5 crore 8 lakh 1,592. Now, let's see how we read this number in international system of numeration. Look, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So we will read it as 50,801,592. Once again, 50,801,592. Now, if you want to read this number in Indian system of numeration, firstly, you will arrange the comma. In Indian system, how comma comes? First after 3 digits, then after 2 digits. So this, we will rub it, 2 digit, then after 2 digit. Look, 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This becomes this number. You see? So, this is all about Indian and international system of numeration. If you want to write this in this columns or rows, let's see how can we write it. 2 at 1's place, 2 come here, then 9, 5 at 100 place. Now 1 at 1000 place, at the place of 10,000 we have 0, so we write it 0. At lakh we have 8, then here 0, 5, nothing is there, no need to write. So now let's talk about the international system of numeration and put the comma in the order. 3, then after 3. This will be rub it. Okay, now 295. 295 at 100. Then 108. 1 at 1000. 0 at 10,000. 8 at 100,000. Then at million we have 0. At 10 million we have 5. At 100 million we have nothing. Now, this will also become easy in the expansion, and we can read it easily, and we can tell the place value of any number by looking into these. Now, tell me the position of 8. What is the place value of it? It lakh. And what about this? It 100,000. What about 5 in Indian system? It's crore. And in international system of numeration, it becomes 10 million. It is at 10 million place value. Hope you understand it better. Thank you.